People are greedy.
People are greedy
people are
and they
greedy.
don't think.
Welcome, my name is Henry and this is my video blog Henry Wonders. This is the second part of Park Hamasila in Tel Aviv with new and interesting questions. Before we start, guys, please subscribe to my channel. It would really help me. Let's start.
Because we can.
Because we can.
Probably yes. I don't know actually. It's so sad when I throw a lot of food in any place in Tel Aviv when I work. It's so sad because a lot of people have no food, for example. I don't know why.
Just we can, and most of people do not think about the consequences because they don't have to. That's really sad.
I don't know. I don't know if people waste too much. People basically take what they need. Some take more, some take less. Each one is differently. So I don't know.
I think people love to have many things, but they don't need them they don't really need them. The stuff we really need are very simple stuff. And people love to have stuff that are not so simple to show other people, but they don't really need them.
Shofuni.
Shofuni.
What do you think?
I feel it's like a lot about what we see, like in society. I think what we are exposed to, like in the TV, or it's like habits. I think it's from childhood sometimes, or from people around us, like our model חיקוי. I don't know. I don't know.
Role model.
Yeah.
Role model.
That these are the people that probably we have like inspiration from, and they have a lot, and then we want also. And food, I think it's also like it's the same thing. Like we are like same subjects, just like in a different way. Like it's a different approach because we are getting different habits from people around us. Yeah. I think.
So it's just like the society and culture.
Yeah, I guess.
Because it's cheaper.
Not just cheaper. People are greedy.
People are
Yeah,
greedy
people are
and they
greedy.
don't think. Like they just don't think when they're wasting things. They only see
Yeah.
what's in front of them.
Yeah.
Because to recycle something or to change what they're used to do is more stressful or more expensive. They just don't do it.
They choose the easy way.
Yeah.
I don't think enough. I don't know. Too tired.
Okay.
Not eat meat.
Not eat meat.
Not
Yeah.
admit. Okay, that's a good one. Okay,
Yeah.
like people know about recycle, but they just don't do it. So people should do it. It's pretty easy now. There's like trash can all over the place.
You mean
Yeah.
recycling cans?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now to use less water, to take a bath, not to take a shower, to use those metallic straws.
Mhm.
I had the topic in school, so.
You made your homework.
Those paper bags, but I read that they are not always good for the environment because you cut the trees off.
Yeah.
So environmental problems, it's like we try to help, but then we get the information that it's not helping, but even making worse. So I don't really know.
Eat nuts in the shell.
Yeah, it's nuts. You want?
Yeah. Why not?
Enjoy. You know how to open it?
Like one and the other.
Yeah. Like this.
Like this.
I think you can
Yeah, man.
share. That's a good idea.
We can
don't
share.
Enough. We don't share enough.
Yeah, that's true.
Share everything.
We can share cars. Yeah, that's for sure.
Everything. You don't need to drop. I think almost nothing.
Probably the simple stuff, like some daily life things that not so obvious. Like if we speak about plastic, it's like very obvious. We all know a plastic bag is like it's like important to not take from the shop. But then about other things that we waste, like we buy some, I don't know, like I don't have something specific in mind, but some products that they are waste.
It's in
Thank
small
you.
pieces.
You see, we share.
It's the small stuff that each one says like, okay, I will buy a bag, and if I don't buy, so other people don't, because people don't think about the bigger picture. I think they feel like they think about
No, it's only
like,
a small like
Yeah.
this. Okay, I can
Small-
waste it. I
Can,
can, okay,
exactly.
yeah.
I'm not sure, man. All of this it's too complicated. No. I tell you, it's just you can try to not waste plastic and all of this in the Western world. In the end of the day, most of the pollution comes from like the third world countries, in
Yeah.
India, China, or
I mean,
whatever.
I'm
So
not,
no matter how you're gonna reduce and the quality of life you're gonna reduce in the West, it's
No, but it's not about the East and West. This is about like every person taking
Yeah.
doing his life in our life.
I
like,
think it's kind of like a privileged position because when you have nothing to eat and you need to feed your family, like in the most of the parts of the world, people don't really, justifiably, not really thinking about
the environment.
the environment, and it's understandable.
Guys, that's it for the second part. There is the first part with different and interesting questions. I have another video about how I get clothes for free, which is really helpful for the environment. As always, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. It would really help me. If you have any ideas for questions I can ask people, please let me know in the comments, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!